dear foodies, how are you all? Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. So today in this video I am going to show how to make veg soft noodles, or you can call it as hakka noodles or Chowmein noodles. Now let's get started with the process. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. To subscribe, you can see the subscribe button under my video. Click on that. If you want to receive the notifications of my upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. That is also under my video. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.